Welcome to our world-class manufacturing facility in Dyersburg, Tennessee. Dyersburg was put in operation to build product for our Nortech Global HVAC residential division. Dyersburg was selected for its ideal location in the heartland of America. Today, the Dyersburg facility produces light commercial DOAS, makeup air and air handler units, as well as residential packaged equipment and mission-critical data center cooling products. Nortech Global HVAC became a certified demand flow technology manufacturer, making it the first HVAC manufacturer to achieve this certification. DFT is a quality control process for manufacturing plants that decreases customer turnaround time, assures every point of the manufacturing process has a quality checkpoint to reduce potential product failures, test air conditioners an average of 144 times, and gas furnaces an average of 234 times. Quality products that are reliable come standard with every product we manufacture. DFT also eliminates human error by using 100% computer automated testing and eliminates batch manufacturing. With DFT, it's not unusual to see a 6-ton DOAS unit coming down the line after a 7.5-ton, based on customer orders. Located within the Dyersburg plant are development and innovation facilities, as well as over 200,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Highly skilled workers allow us to leverage the best-in-class manufacturing techniques across multiple industries. Dyersburg has a strong safety record and was recently recognized with Tennessee OSHA Commissioner's Award of Excellence. Continued investments in our factory keep our workers safe and efficient, which drive quality and reliability to the customer. We take great care in designing every station on every line to build your products to DFT standards. Lines are designed for efficiency, utilizing cordless tools to eliminate wires, ergonomic equipment to ensure our employees have proper assistance in lifting heavy components, and a well-lit workspace. At Dyersburg, we use two styles of manufacturing based on equipment requirements. Assembly line manufacturing, where the product is moved from station to station. And in the case of larger product, dedicated bays where teams rotate to the product. In both methods, each unit built begins with a serial number barcode that is scanned into an interlock computer system. This system tracks the unit through production to make sure the correct parts are used. Every unit is put through rigorous testing, and every test result is stored as a permanent record to ensure a quality product. Each product passes through an integrity leak testing station to test the brazing with helium. Since helium is a smaller molecule than air, it helps us find even the tiniest of leaks. The unit passes to our evacuation and charging station, where the automated system charges the unit to the precise requirements provided by our engineering team. The unit passes through a run test, where we fire every unit and record all outputs. Throughout the line, our workers are checking the work from the previous station, as well as their own work for a check, and recheck system, ensuring the work is done correctly and we are delivering a quality system to our customers. Continuous investments are made in our fabrication equipment. Part of our DFT process is to bring in raw materials and perform fabrication on site to control quality for the customer. Recent updates include machines that stamp and bend in one operation. These machines have increased quality, reduced waste, and added stack tolerance. Feedback and monitoring equipment provide real-time quality improvements when identified, so a process can be changed and delivered to the assembly line instantaneously. An upgraded Wi-Fi network enables in-rack scanning that result in increased lead time and assembly efficiency. The network also provides real-time part tracking and barcode scanning. The Dyersburg DFT certified plant operates under strict operational quality guidelines, which carries through to all the products we manufacture. Our continued commitment to bring the right products to market is demonstrated through our commitment to safety and innovation. This commitment to world-class manufacturing ensures a quality, reliable product delivered to you.